I request Zayyan and parents to please come on the stage. If I ask Kola to please hand over the medal. Allahu Akbar. So I really congratulate Zayyan for receiving this most prestigious award of the school. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help you in order to increase the understanding towards the deen, and whatever you have gained, the knowledge whatever you have gained, let it be the knowledge of beneficial, and it should benefit you as well as the people who are around you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with best of best in both the worlds. Ameen. I request Zayyan and his father to please come on the stage and share few words.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and my fellow students, I am deeply honored and grateful to stand before you as the recipient of the Najme Ikhwan. This recognition is not just a testament to my efforts, but also a reflection of the collective dedication within our academic community. All praise is to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the worlds, for granting me the strength and the wisdom to navigate the challenges of academic life. I am mindful that without His blessings, my journey would have not been possible. It is through His grace that I have been given the opportunity to excel in my studies, and I wish to express my thanks for His mercy and guidance. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to my father. Dad, your unwavering commitment to my education has been the cornerstone of my success, and I am immensely grateful for your selflessness. To my dear mother, your sacrifices have been nothing short of extraordinary. Your love, dedication, and the countless little things you have done every day for me have shaped not just my academic success, but also the person I am becoming. And I owe you a depth of gratitude that words can hardly express. To Principal Liaqat Ali sir, your support has been a constant guiding light since the first unit test of grade 9th. You have stood by me with unwavering encouragement and assistance. Your leadership has fostered an environment of excellence, and I am truly grateful for the opportunities you have provided. Ms. Fahmida ma'am, you are the epitome of justice and dedication. Your guidance, support, and meticulous teaching have been instrumental in my academic success, I'm honored to have been your student, and the lessons you have imparted extend far beyond the classrooms. I would also like to thank Mr. Raza sir and our class teacher Abdul Subhan Molla for your support during one of my challenging periods of my academic journey, and it will be forever be etched in my memory. A very special thanks to Ms. Rahat teacher, who holds a unique place in my heart. Our bond goes beyond that of a typical teacher-student relationship. It is one of a mother and a son, where unwavering support, counseling during low moments, and nurturing guidance have been invaluable. You have proven that a teacher is a second mother, and I am grateful for the special place you hold in my heart, right next to my own mother. To all my teachers, past and present, your dedication to education has been a beacon of my journey. Each of you has played a significant role in shaping my character and instilling in me a love for learning. I would also like to extend my deepest gratitude to my beloved sister Farzana and her husband Abdul Tawwab, as well as to my dearest brother Faisal. And I would also like to express my heartfelt appreciation to all my friends whose unwavering support has been the catalyst for achieving the Student of the Year award. In conclusion, I would like to state the famous quote of Muhammad Azhar Nadwi, या रब मेरे उस्तादों को इज़्ज़त की हर दौलत दे, या रब मेरे उस्तादों को इज़्ज़त की हर दौलत दे, मेरे अहले खाना को भी राहत की हर नियामत दे, शौक़ तिलावत का हो दिल में मुझको ऐसी रग़बत दे, शौक़ तिलावत का हो दिल में मुझको ऐसी रग़बत दे, मेरी सीरत का शोहरा हो मुझको ऐसी सीरत दे। आमीन व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।